Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dia, and from the title you know that today I'm gonna tell you how to apply for your Uzbekistan visa. So Uzbekistan, I think you must already know, but this is a Central Asian country, and for us Indians there is an option of e-visa, which is a very simple process and you will get your visa within 3 working days. And I actually visited Uzbekistan just this month in April, in first week of April, and I was there for 10 days and it's such a beautiful country. My vlogs and itinerary, budget, how to book your tickets and everything will be up super soon. I've already started my Uzbekistan series. The link of it will be in my description box. Do definitely check it out, and if you have any questions you can definitely ping me on my Instagram, which is with the same name, wanderwithdiya. And before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel guys. I know a lot of people watch my videos but they don't subscribe somehow, so do subscribe. And this is totally related to travel content and I hope you will like this channel. And let's start the video. As I mentioned, for Indians the process is e-visa, and you get your visa within 3 working days. In my case, I actually got my visa within 2 days, and I will share the screen recording as well in the second half of this video. And when you apply your visa, on the day that you apply, like for example I applied on 26th of February, my visa was valid for 26th of February till 3 months, that is till May. And there is an option to apply for single entry, multiple entry visa. The prices are like different between those, and the one that I applied was for single entry visa, which costed 20 USD, like with transaction fee and everything. It was 21.5 USD, which is equivalent to 1800 INR. Yes, as I mentioned, like the visa will be valid for 3 months, so within 3 months you can travel anytime, but you can only visit it once. Like it is a single entry visa that I applied for. You can stay for a maximum of 30 days from when you enter the country. And another best thing about this Uzbekistan e-visa is that you don't have to actually book your flights or even your hotel bookings. You just need your photo and the passport first page. That's the only document you need. And obviously like the passport should be expiry should be more than 6 months later than the date that you will be going there. And yes, that's the only document you need. And let me show you how to do it. So you have to go to the official visa website. I will mention the link in the description box below, and click on application. First you have to add your citizenship, the country, the document type, which is ordinary passport, and now you can select if you want single entry or multiple entry. I'm selecting single, and type is tourism. And now you have to give the approximate date from when you are arriving and your departure date. So I've given approximate date, which is for 10 days. And next you have to add your details, which is your surname, your name. If you have any middle name you can add that, and there is an option that if you have changed your surname, you have to click on that surname and add your previous surname, and same with the name if you have changed your name. If you haven't done anything, don't select it. And then you have to select your gender, and next is your date of birth and also your place of birth. The place of birth is already in your passport, just add that, the same thing. And next you have to add the passport information, that is the serial number, basically your passport number. Next you have to add the date of issue, when your passport is issued, and next is the expiry date. Everything is in your passport already. And after that is there is some additional information that you have to provide. So you have to provide the permanent residential address, so just add your whole address properly. And next is an option to add the place of work or study and position. So now if you're a student, you can add your whatever you are studying. If you are working, you can add that, like for example Hyderabad, I'm like working in Hyderabad and software engineer. And if you aren't doing anything, you can just mention as NA, like my mom was retired, so I have added for her NA, not applicable. Next you have to add your phone number, and next you have to add your initial place of residence in Uzbekistan, basically the hotel that you will be staying in. So you don't have to actually book, because you don't have to provide any booking confirmation. So you can just add any hotel name in Tashkent if you're going to Tashkent directly, and go to google.com, add any hotel address that you want you might be staying in, or from booking.com. In the next page you have to add your photo and passport. So the photo, they have a particular dimension, just make sure your photo is within that dimension resolution. And also you have to add your passport first page photo, and the first page is basically the one that you have your photo attached, your expiry date and everything, something like this, and you have to attach that one and click on next. And the next page you can review all the information that you have provided, just make sure like everything is correct. And after that you have to add your email ID and the captcha mentioned below. So once you click on the captcha and click on save, it actually goes back like to show you again to add the captcha, but don't worry, it is already being sent to your email. email. So you can just scroll up and it will show that the email is already sent to your the link is already sent to your email, and you have to go to your email to activate it. So it will look something like this. So you have to go to this link, and the code also they have given, you have to activate within 12 hours. So you have to give your email address and then the application code, the captcha, and click on continue. And in the next page it will show that you have to pay 20 USD. Visa and MasterCard works, and the total with transaction charge is 21.5 USD. And once that is done, like the payment is done, you will receive a payment confirmation that your payment has been processed. And in my case, as I mentioned, like within 2 working days I got, but I think for my mom it took like 3 working days. But like within 3 to maximum like 4 working days you will get your visa. And Uzbekistan actually comparatively is a very affordable country. Like you will get stays according to your wish list. The places are really nice, and also the people of Uzbekistan are so sweet. So what I have seen after being in Uzbekistan is that they actually really like Indians. Like they are a big fan of Bollywood, so they know of the movies and like actresses. They even took selfies with us, like just randomly, how we do sometimes with foreigners. So, and overall it's a very nice country and I absolutely loved it. And the itinerary and everything will be up on my channel super soon, and if it is already up it will be in my description box. You can check from that. And yes, that's it for today's video. I have done a similar video for Georgia and Azerbaijan. I will link those playlists as well. The visa application, itinerary, budget, everything is up for those 2 countries. You can check that as well. And that's it for today's video. If you have any question, do leave it in the comment below, and follow me on my Instagram and subscribe here. Bye.